Issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Kankakee County in northeastern Illinois, Iroquois County in east central Illinois, until 2:30 p.m. At 1:23 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Sonneman to 9 miles northwest of Paxton to near Urbana, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. 3 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Sonneman to 9 miles northwest of Kankakee, Bourbonnais, Bradley, Watseka, Moments, Gilman, Hershey, Clinton, Milford, Limestone, Onarga, Spring Ann, Sheldon, Chabents, Cissna Park, Ashcombe, Aroma Park, Hopkins Park, Buckley, and Martinez, including the following interstate: Interstate 57 between mile markers 264 and 319. This includes Kankakee Community College, Kankakee County Fairgrounds and Speedway, Kankakee River State Park, and Olivet Nazarene University. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Kankakee Community College, Kankakee County Fairgrounds and Speedway, Kankakee River State Park, and Olivet Nazarene University. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.